Dear students, our next chapter is lesson number 15, polymers. We have seen the polymers in the classroom and only two topics were remaining which we have done on the online channel. Still we will go with the recapitulation of the chapter. So dear students, chapter number 15, polymer. First of all, we have seen with the introduction. We have seen with the definition of polymer, monomer and so on. Then we have seen with the classification. Classification we have seen on the basis of the arrangement of the molecules. That can be linear, that can be branch and so on. Intermolecular forces. That can be your, we have seen with like thermoplastic, thermosetting plastic and so on. Then we have seen with the sources. Sources natural, synthetic and semi-synthetic, that we have seen. Polymerization, mode of polymerization, we have addition polymerization, we have condensation polymerization. Dear students, if we talk about this particular addition polymerization, we have seen homopolymer, we have seen copolymer, and condensation mostly goes with copolymer. Mechanism of addition polymerization, that is what we have seen. Okay, in this chapter, which are the polymers we have seen? We have seen HDP, high density polymer, low density polymer, polystyrene. We have seen Teflon, PVC, polyvinyl chloride. Then we have seen Orlon, polyacrylonitrile, PMMA, polymethyl methacrylate, Buna-N, Buna-S, polyamides like nylon 6,6, nylon 6, and nylon 2,6. Then we have seen with the esters, terylene, glyptal. We have also seen bakelite and melamine formaldehyde resins, or we can say polymer. And the last topic was biodegradable polymers. In that we have seen PHBV and nylon 2,6. So dear students, these are the topics which we have covered in the chapter polymer. Still, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Just we are going to have the quick recap of the chapter, that is chapter number 14, biomolecules. Just let us go throughout it. So dear students, chapter number 14, biomolecules. First topic we have seen carbohydrates. In that we have seen the classification and the nomenclature. Then we have seen monosaccharides. In that we have seen glucose, fructose. We have seen with the preparation also, and we have also seen with their particular reactions, structure formations. Disaccharides we have seen sucrose, maltose and lactose. In polysaccharides we have seen starch, cellulose and glycogen. Then also we have seen the importance of the carbohydrate. Next we have seen proteins. In that we have seen amino acids, peptide bond, classification, structure of protein, denaturation of protein. Also we have seen with the topic enzyme, mechanism of the enzyme, that is active site and substrate, and that what we have seen. Also we have seen the graph. Vitamins we have seen with the classification and deficiency diseases. Last topic was nucleic acid, structure of nucleic acid, DNA fingerprinting, biological functions of the nucleic acid. These are the topics which we have covered in the chapter biomolecules. Hope you have a clear idea about the chapter. Still, if you have any doubt, you can ask at any time. Thank you. Okay, dear students, one more chapter we have done, that is lesson number 16, chemistry in everyday life. So in this particular chapter, which are the topics we have covered? We talked about the drugs. We have seen with the definition of drugs, and then we have seen with the classification also, like pharmacological effect and so on. Then we talked about the catalytic activity of the enzyme. We talked about the substrate and the active site, how they go for binding and shows the particular biological response. Then we talked about the inhibition of the enzyme. So in the inhibition we have seen two. One that was a competitive drugs, and second which was working on the allosteric site. Then we talk about the receptor as a drug. So wherein we know that chemical messengers are coming and we have the particular mechanism. Then we talk about the types of the drugs, in which we have covered antacids, antihistamine, neurologically active drugs. We have covered narcotics, non-narcotics. Then we have seen antimicrobial drugs, antibiotic, antiseptic and disinfectant. These are the topics which we have covered. Further, we have also covered the anti-fertility drugs. Dear student, I have given you the notes about this in one of the video. Then we talked about the food preservatives like BHA and BHT. So that is also I have given. Artificial sweetening agent, saccharin, sodium cyclomate, aspartame, sucralose and allitame. This I have discussed along with the calories given over here. Then we talked about the cleansing agent. Especially we talk about the soaps and detergent. Dear student, we have seen the classification also, that is cationic, anionic and non-ionic. The last topic we have discussed was the cleaning action of soaps and detergent, wherein we talked about the micelle formations.